DJ Delz.
Welcome to a brand new unboxing video. So, we got a bunch of goodies. We're gonna first get into what I picked up at Toys R Us. Definitely, I think my last purchase at Toys R Us. It's so sad that they are going out of business, but you know, it's just what's going on in this world. People are online shopping, or they're going to places where you can buy everything all at once, like a Target, like a Walmart. So I did pick up Ryu, and I picked up, guess, Ken. Easily the video game I grew up playing as a kid. I used to cut class and go to this arcade and play with a lot of my friends, and we would just hang out and play this game for hours and hours and hours. And these were the two guys I always played with. I liked playing with Ken better because I liked his how it had a little more curve to it, so you were able to hit him with it. It was like a lot easier to hit him with it versus Ryu's would go more straight up. But I think Ryu was stronger than Ken. Regardless, they really had the same damn moves, just a little bit different as far as their style and whatnot. But these were my go-to characters to play Street Fighter with. I do have the 8-bit Ryu, but I wanted like regular versions, and I did wait and wait and wait, and I'm not gonna lie, I put them to the side and stashed them somewhere at Toys R Us, because when I first heard they were going out of business, I was like, it's going to be like a 50% eventually, and everything's going to be gone by then. So I stashed them. They're 50% off. I copped them today. Definitely great buys. And with the Funko Pops, I like buying what brings me back to when I was a kid. That's why if you look, you'll see like a lot of WWE stuff. You'll see stuff like Rock Pops from back in the days, Mr. Monopoly, Mr. Rogers, George Jetson, Popeye. You'll just see all types of things, you know, from the past and the present. Breaking Bad, even though when I got this, I'm pretty sure it was still going on the show, to the Riddler, Joker, etc., etc. But I definitely am glad to pick them up. They were in great condition, and that's also a major key. Now, I did get a Grail Funko, and we will do that at the end. I got this package from a friend of mine, Terminology. This is a Massachusetts-based rapper who's been in the hip-hop game for over a decade now, and he is a friend of mine. I probably was the first DJ to play his music on a mixtape. I think I actually am the first DJ to play his music on a mixtape. If not the first, definitely the second. And I just think he's a great dude, first of all, and he's super talented. He's got great lyrics. You know, he's a lyricist. He's not just like that crap you hear now, that mumble rap and all that shit. Like, he's nice with the bars. So I always appreciate his music. Shout out to my dude Dan Green. And he sent me this. This is this wave that he got going on. Oh, he sent me 2 hats. So he got this whole thing, this whole movement, Good Dad Gang. And he's basically, I know you could buy these, but he's been, you know, hooking up all of his peeps with these hats right here that are repping, you know, as a parent, as a dad. So, you know, he hooked me up with these 2 hats right here. And if you know me, you know I love my kids. I try to do the best I can for them. So I love this movement. I absolutely love it. I think it's a good message to put out there. And thank you so much for these hats. I will be wearing them ASAP. And if you're looking for them, I will put information in the description box below, because you can actually pick them up. And once again, shout out to Terminology. If you never heard Terminology before and you love hip-hop, you will thank me so much after. Just search Terminology. You can even search Terminology DJ Delz. We got tons of stuff on the internet. We've done mixtapes together in the past, and you know, I'm pretty sure there's a few interviews and music videos and shit like that. So definitely shout out to Terminology. That's my guy right there. Now, this right here, where is it? Now, this is a Funko Pop Grail right here that I got in the mail. I did order this on eBay. If you didn't see my vlog yesterday, check it out on the Delz show, because I'm going to add this onto Sneaker Addict episode. Plus, it'll be on the Delz show as is. But, man, we had bad luck yesterday on eBay. Hopefully, this is better. It looks good. And this is a pop that I really needed for my WWE collection. Up top, as you can see. Looking kind of strong. But I needed this one. You can't have a WWE collection without having certain people. See, we got Warrior, Jake the Snake, $1 Million Man. But you know there's one guy you gotta have. There's two guys. One of them I don't have yet. And that's Macho Man. The other guy, of course, is Hulk Hogan. So I finally got Hogan. Let's see the condition. It's got like a little stain over there. It looks like, I don't know. But besides that, pretty good. I'm not mad. I'm happy with this purchase. A little rip over there, but it's not that bad. I'm not tripping. It's not like yesterday when I got my Undertaker Funko Pop. I wasn't happy with that. This is the Undertaker one, but the box was a little funny. But yeah, man, 2 Funko Pops this week. WWE Funko Pops I'm happy to pick up. And it definitely is going to look great on the wall, the Funko wall. You know, we got the sneakers on other walls. As you can see, we got sneakers all over the place. But this is the Funko, but this is the Funko wall right here. Before I forget, there is a lot of new Funko Pops that have released that are on pre-order, and I will put information in the description box below to help you guys out if you're looking for one. If you're looking for any of them, I highly recommend you pre-order them, and the spots that have them available, you can get them like mint condition, they guarantee, at a lot of the spots that I will have in the description box below. So check it out, just listing what they got. They got the Rick and Morty Pickle Rick. They got the Altered Beast from Sega, 8-bit Funko Pop available. Bob's Big Bob, you got to get that one for the collection. George Jetson, the Marvel 6-inch Thanos that's coming out soon. There's a new one. The Bully Club Young Bucks, that's available. So I'll put a bunch of stuff in the description box below if you're looking to pre-order any of those. And there also will be the Hardys, the 2-pack of the Hardys. So I will link that too in the description box below. Also, they do have, that just went up on pre-order, the Kellogg's Honey Smacks Frog. So if you're looking to lock that one in, I know them cereal Funko Pops are super popular. So that will be in the description box below. I suggest you get in on that quickly, that pre-order, because I have a feeling that will definitely sell out. And guaranteed mint condition when it ships. So definitely check all those out. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Let me know if there's any Funko that you are looking for. Maybe someone will read that in the comments and be able to help you out. Oh, by the way, I had a few people asking what's up with the giveaway. I don't ever really announce giveaways on the channel. I usually just private message because of this fact. The last giveaway, I contacted them. They didn't hit me back. Just like the last time I did a giveaway. I had to keep doing the randomizer, finding a new person and contacting them. So I don't even want to shout people out and then they don't even, you know, answer. It's just silly. So that's why I just private message people. I don't make no big stink about it, and that's just how it goes down. Now, this is still available right now. I'm going to give Homeboy till tomorrow. If I don't hear from him, everyone check your inboxes Friday, I'll say. Check your inboxes Friday, and I will send a message to one of you guys who wins the Braun Strowman WWE Funko Pop, because I want to give this damn thing away. So we'll get it popping, you know, literally. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button right now. Subscribe if you're new. And once again, leave your comments. Let me know what you're looking for as far as pops. I am really looking for the Atom Bomb Garbage Pail Kids Funko Pop. If you have that one, hit me up. I'm willing to do trades. I'm not looking to buy it for some crazy resale price. Also, I'm looking for Run DMC. I got DMC here. I need Run. So someone, find me Run, please. Hit me up. Another Funko Pop that I am looking for is the Thanos, the metallic Thanos. I do have the Black Panther pack, and it is sealed. So if you have the Thanos hit me up. I got one for you. And I'm looking for the Groot, 10-inch Groot. Let me know what you got. Hit me up. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. If you're watching on the Sneaker Addict channel, make sure to subscribe to the Delz Show. And if you've never heard of the Sneaker Addict channel, make sure to subscribe to the Sneaker Addict channel. We're almost at 200,000 subscribers. Hopefully we'll get there. Plus, I just did a real special video showing my kids' first pair of shoes. I would love you guys to watch that video, so check that out. It means the world to me. Check that one out. Much love. We out.